If you're looking for one pressure washer that can handle tough jobs around your home while still being safe enough to wash your car, this Westinghouse EPX3500 might be exactly what you need. Let's unbox it, put it together, and see how it performs. The unboxing isn't the most premium experience, but that's easy to overlook at this price. The spray gun feels solid and well built, which gives me a good first impression. The instructions were easy to find, and all the parts were easy to identify. No tools are needed, just snap everything into place until it clicks, and you're ready to go. I also like that there's a secure spot to store the spray nozzles since they're easy to lose. This video isn't sponsored, and Westinghouse didn't pay me for this review. These are simply my honest thoughts after using it. If you don't want to carry your pressure washer around, just unlock the wheels and it rolls right behind you. I also like that everything has its own place when you're done. The spray gun, wand, power cord, and hose all store neatly on the machine to keep things organized. If you ever wanted to swap out the spray gun or hose, it uses a standard M22 fitting. I personally prefer a short, stubby gun for detailing cars, but if you're a weekend warrior tackling jobs around the house, this two-handed gun is actually more comfortable to use, especially on bigger jobs like cleaning driveways and patios. If you've got little kids around the house, it also includes a trigger lock to help prevent accidental spraying. The trigger is comfortable to squeeze, too. Of course, it uses a standard 3/4 inch garden hose connection, so it hooks right up to your outdoor faucet. The 25-foot hose gives you plenty of room to work before needing to move the pressure washer. Pair that with the 35-foot power cord and you have a lot of reach around the house. It also has a large power button that's easy to find and satisfying to press. For the first test, we're cleaning the front of this car that's covered in bug guts that have been sitting for well over a month. So this is a real world test. I'm using the 25-degree nozzle, and one common mistake people make is thinking a pressure washer alone will remove them. But as you can see, bug guts can bond to the surface and even start to etch the paint, making them harder to remove. That's why using a bug remover first makes such a big difference. It loosens them up so the pressure washer can wash them away much more easily. One of the few downsides is that it doesn't come with a 40-degree nozzle, which I prefer for washing cars. That said, this pressure washer isn't overly aggressive, so it's generally very safe on paint when you use it correctly. Alright, so now for the fun part. This turbo nozzle is designed for maximum cleaning power. It's great for concrete, driveways, patios, and other tough jobs, but I wouldn't recommend using it on your vehicle's paint. It's been a while since we cleaned this walkway, and as you can see, it cleans it right up. It's oddly satisfying, and my wife is probably a little mad because I'm stealing her favorite job. Overall, I think Westinghouse did a great job with the EPX3500. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, and has plenty of cleaning power for most homeowners. I think this is a solid option for the money. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan, and I'll see you in the next one.